How to block or allow pop-ups in Google Chrome on Android phone or tablet. So if you want to block or allow the pop-ups in Google Chrome on Android phone or tablet, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your Google Chrome, open up your Chrome browser and go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon. Go with settings. Once you're under the settings, you need to scroll down, and here you just need to simply go with site settings. Once you go with site settings, here you will have an option of pop-ups and redirects. Tap on that. You'll land on this pop-ups and redirects page. So you just need to simply toggle off the pop-ups and redirects. Once you toggle it off, then you will block or turn off the pop-ups. Or if you want to allow, then you can simply toggle it on. So that's it. That's how you can block or allow the pop-ups in Google Chrome on Android phone or tablet. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.